Okay, y'all, what's up? How we doing? I just got off work. It is currently 9 o'clock. Just got off. We're gonna do a little POV drive back home. Been wanting to do one during, you know, nighttime, because I think it looks a lot better. It's a lot cooler. Vibes are cooler, and there's less traffic, so it's a lot more fun. But I'm gonna wait for my car to warm up a little bit. Today was so fucking busy at work. That shit, like it was, I got there and it was busy, and then it slowed down. It wasn't too bad, and then it got fucking busy again, and I was like, shit. I was like, brother. I look, you need to put in some gas. I'll go put in gas. Okay, yeah, it is time to head out. Car's warm now. Let's get a move on. This isn't gonna be the traditional way that I take home, just because I need to go put gas. The other way would literally be the same way that I come, just same exact way. This was a little bit different. The car I drove before this, it was my grandma's car. It was like a 2012 or 2013, I don't remember. It's a Buick LaCrosse, but it was a V6, so that shit fucking, bro, it guzzled so much gas. And it had a big ass tank, so when you'd fill it up, bro, it was like what, 80 bucks just to fill up the tank, and I would do it like almost every like week and a half. With this thing, bro, I enjoy the car a lot more, and it's good on gas. Slow, yeah, it's whatever. My other car probably would have been smoked this thing, but I can do that, and it's good on gas still. And I don't have to put premium in this thing. I can give it old 87 and it'll do just fine. See, only 34 bucks. Not that bad. No. Okay. Let's get going again. Yeah, that's literally less than half. 34 bucks, that's less than half of what it would take to fill up the other one. It's literally amazing. Motherfucker drive with no lights. What are we doing? Oh my gosh. And now we're passing by my school right now. One thing I like is I literally work and go to school right next to each other. Some days I got both class and school. I got like a shift right after I get out of class. It's not like I gotta fucking go home, change, or drive somewhere far as shit to, you know, like go to work. Yeah, they're both far from my house, but they're close together and it doesn't make it too bad. I'm just gonna turn green. Thing is so raw. I wish I had Vtec though. I'll always say that. I wish I had Vtec. But for what it is, this car is amazing. Way back home, I don't really need to take the freeway. I'll take the freeway like at the very, very end, but I can just go straight pretty much the entire way. And right now, what I like is that it's empty, so it's free. I can just do what I want. Damn. 0 to 60 in fucking 13 seconds. Still gotta learn how to heel toe. Heel toe for me is hard in this car because the pedals are kind of far apart and my feet are small. So that kind of sucks, but lot of spots that I can rip it. I like that. Go fast in a slow car. Better than going slow in a fast car. See, like here would be, or heel toe would be kind of nice. Got pretty good at rev matching, but fuck. Still need to learn how to heel toe. Wish I could follow it. FAB Pony. It's so bumpy. All the street is like fucking cracked. It's so bad. There's so many little bumps. You guys are gonna feel it. That little road is fun though. If you push it and there's no one in front of you, bro, oh my gosh. That shit was nice. About driving at night, but like that pull I just did, getting on the freeway, yeah, it would have been cool in the morning or during the day when it's sunny out, but right now with all the lights, everything's dark, bro. This shit's a vibe. I fucking love it. Hopefully it looks cool for you guys too. love seeing my fucking silhouette of the car, the shadow. Before it used to be a boat, bro. Now this thing looks so clean. I want the big wing though. Like the special edition wing that I have on, it's clean because it's subtle, you know, like it has the brake light. It's nice. I do really like it. At first I didn't really like it. Now it's grown on me. But dude, something about the high-rise wing. Ever since I can remember, I wanted it like that, you know. I wanted that with white wheels. And I know white wheels are gonna be a bitch to maintain because as soon as they get dirty, you can, like, it shows, you know. We will get there. Slowly but surely, we will get there. Just gotta take some time. High beams. Oh my god. Home. I know this video is probably gonna be a little bit longer. I took a longer way back home, but I hope it was fun. Hope it looked cool. I hope, you know, the nighttime POV was a little bit of a vibe. But I appreciate you guys for tagging along. Thank you guys for clicking on the video. Make sure to, you know, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what I should be doing, what you guys want me to do. Things that you want to see in the future, you know. I'm small, so I'll definitely see whatever you guys tell me, you know. But yeah, it's been a good little drive today. I'll catch you guys in the next one, okay? See ya.